Hey, welcome to this video. Yet another edition this week. I'm really rolling them out. I've got a bit of gear, as I mentioned in the other videos, so I'm going to be showing that this week more than doing photography. But yeah, let's get on with it. So today's video is about this leash. I've got one of these already for the other camera. If you're not following my channel, I've just got two new Fuji X-T4s. Well, one new one and one old one. So I've got two Fuji X-T4s now. I'm shooting with some family members, so we need two straps. So I've got one of these already, and it's been a pretty good strap. And that's why I've gone with another one. I don't know if it's changed slightly or not, but we'll have a look. And I'll show you what's in the box first. So actually, I'll show you the box first. So that's the box. And what else have we got here? Hopefully that's coming up. And did I show you that one? Yeah, I think I did. Spinning round and round. And that's the bottom of it. Okay, I just pre-cut this earlier so we can get straight into it. Oh, maybe not as easy as I thought. Here we go. Oh, it comes in a little pouch thing. I kind of remember how the other one was because, yeah, it's a few years old now, actually, I think, from memory. Okay, so here we are. And I went with the black option, but there are, I think there's one other, I think there's an ash or something, like a grey one. I'll leave some links below so that you can have a look if you're interested. I'll show you the box in a minute, but let's just take this off. So undo these. Okay, so there's the leash, and oh, we got to go right under. How have they done this? It's always tricky. I think it's on this clip, so if I unclip that, I should be able to take this out. Yep, and that's your little eyelet there. Tricky. Pick design. What's going on? Oh my gosh, now I've ripped it. If you watch my unboxings before, they're always a bit crazy because I never know what's going to happen when I open these things. Okay, I'm all over the place now. I'm going to show you the box first. So we do have some instruction sort of stuff. Let me zoom in. Okay, so that's that. Now I'm going to disappear because I dropped something. Here we go. I am now back. So we've got the leash and this little pouch as well. Let's have a look what's in here. Okay, so the pouch has an Allen key and the little eyelets, and that's just showing you that it actually tells you when the eyelet is ready for renewal. Like it, that's a new feature of the. I've been with Pick Design for a long time, and they introduced this, which is really good. So it tells you if it's wearing out, and then it'll never snap on you, if you know what I mean. And it comes with this little bottom plate that you put on so that you can connect this to the bottom of the camera, which I really like. Although I will probably swap this out for a different plate that I've got, which is also Pick Design, which I'll show you, which is this one. I'll leave a link to this in the description. But the beauty of this one is that it's Arca compatible. So it doubles up as a tripod plate rather than that one, which is mini micro, which is really cool if you're not doing much tripod work, but I jump from tripod to strap, so that one suits me a little bit better. So this actually came with, I think it was called the clutch, which is like a hand strap sort of thing. But yeah, I think you can get these separately. So I'll link everything down below if you want to know about it. And let me just show you the actual strap. Some rambling on, so maybe I'll do like I'll take you through this way so you can see it, and obviously the other end is the same. And at the bottom here you've got these little eyelets which pop in just by pressing, so you can, once you got your camera on here, just pop those on and it goes around your neck, and you can just clip into the system, which is really handy. And the other thing is that this is very adjustable, so but just by pulling you can make it shorter or longer very, very quickly, which is different to a standard camera strap, which is why I use this. Even though the Fuji strap is really good, it doesn't come with the adjustability. One other thing, and I'll leave a link to this below, I didn't know it existed, but they sell just the eyelets as well, I think, as a little pack, so that you can, and like a little conversion thing, so that you can actually convert the Fuji strap, or whatever strap you have, into one of these attachable. So it comes with sort of this bit, if you like, but you still won't be able to quickly adjust it. So it's good if you're sort of set in, but I sometimes want to have it over my shoulder or tighter, or if I'm panning with a video. So yeah, I just prefer this as a whole system. So as far as attaching it to the camera, obviously it would just go right here. You'd use the Allen key to screw that in. I'll see if I can just get it in quickly this way, but just for video's sake. And so then what you'd have left there is the two little straps on either side, and then you just clip your strap into this, and you can easily clip and you're on, or you unclip if you want it off. So it becomes very easy to go from tripod to strap in one quick move. I'm not explaining that super well, but hopefully that all made sense, and I'll leave links to their website, etc., and their products, so you can see how it all works. I think they've got videos there as well. Yeah, so that's it. I just wanted to share that with you in case you're looking for a strap. The question is this the best strap out there? And for me it is. So I've also had the thicker one. I can't remember what they're called, but the thicker one version of this, but I prefer just the thin one. So I've gone back to that. Yeah, so that's all I've got to say, I think. I always forget something, but I'll leave it in the description if there's anything else, and I will see you in the next video. And if you enjoyed this, you can give a thumbs up. Helps to get the video out there, and also subscribe if you're not subscribed if you want to. If you don't, that's cool. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!